Hey everyone, this is Bob and Natalie. Bucket List Cruise and Travel, continuing our adventures. We went to the cabin this year for Christmas. Okay, we didn't go to that cabin. You know, we're not real fans of snow and cold. We are now Florida residents and we're kind of used to the warmer weather. So we went to the cabin on the Carribean Princess. We're in C-743 this week and half of next week. We are going to the Panama Canal for Christmas this year. We're going to do a quick cabin tour of C-743 on the Caribbean deck. As you can see, the door just unlocked. My medallion opened the door, which is very, very cool. Standard balcony cabin on the Carib deck. This is one of our favorite areas of the ship. We are on almost the last cabin on the starboard side. And I'll show you why at the end of the video. Let's back up a little bit. We're coming in the doorway here. On the right hand side, you'll see a couple light switches. These are your cabin light switches. Don't forget, when you're in your cabin, you can lock the door. So you lock behind you. Now your muster station and all that kind of good stuff, all the instructions are on the back of the door. So you will have to do the muster station. And it's a new muster drill. You watch it on the TV. And then you take your medallion down to your muster. Ours is located on F, Deck 7 in the Club Fusion Lounge. And all you do is check in and you are done. You don't have to stay in the muster station any longer. So you have your two light switches on the right hand side that control your hallway and your cabin lights. Let's turn a little bit and go into the closet system. Very basic. This is an older ship. The Carribean Princess is 18 years old. So we have dropped a little bit of our gear already. There's a closet shelf up on the top, our camera gear and some hats, and our life jackets are located there too. And below that, you will find the hangers and the hanging rack. There's not a whole lot of hangers in this cabin. We have probably 10 on this side, and turn around, and there's probably another 10. If you need more than that, talk to your cabin steward. He's very happy to take care of you. And then you have just a cavernous space for all your hanging, and you put shoes and all that kind of good stuff at the bottom. Our gear has been dropped already, but we don't have our luggage yet. At the end of the closet, you're going to see a big cupboard. So let's open this thing up, and I'll step back so you can see what it looks like. So you have a number of shelves here, and the safe. And like I said, this is an older ship, so it's a very, very small safe. Computers will not fit in this safe. Let's take a look at the restroom next. Like I said, standard balcony cabin. So you have the toilet, and on the right-hand side is the sink area. So it's a single sink cabin, not very big, but it is very, very well laid out. You have a few shelves, drinking glasses, and a very large mirror, and there is some lighting on here too. And you'll notice there is an electrical outlet in this area of the ship. It's designed for razors, and it includes an American and a European outlet. So we have charged cell phones in here as opposed to just having a razor. So you have hand towels, and then your bath towels are located here also. Now this is a very small, intimate shower. I'm telling you, it's small. So let's take a look from the floor up. So the bath mat is down, and we're coming up. Let me move the curtain out of the way here. You have two knobs. One is for heat and the other is for water flow. So you adjust your temperature and you just lock it in. And then the shower head is a very nice adjustable shower head. And at the top, you will have the standard drying rack. I don't know if you can see it very well in this photo, but there is a drying rack located right here. And come back down just a little bit, and there's a grab handle and your shampoo, conditioners, and your body wash. Now this is shampoo and conditioner in one product, not two. So if you need special shampoos and special conditioners, make sure you pack those. Now there is no place to shave your legs. So I have heard where some women actually put their feet out of the shower and rest them on the top of the toilet and shave your legs that way. Since it's all part of one system, you could just kind of do it that way. So let's go on outside and take a look around. What else is around us? So we're right next to the front door, and let me go back into here and we'll turn around. Next to me, full length mirror. Beautiful. So if you're getting ready for formal night or one of the other nights, you can see exactly how you're looking and if you need to make any adjustments. So let's come on inside the little hallway here. As we come in the left, first thing you're going to see is the air conditioning system. This button's for cooler, this button's for warmer, and if you hit the button, it should light up. Ours is not lighting up. We just got here, so let me take a peek at that and see if we can get this thing running. We are set up in a queen bed on this sailing. To the right of the bed is 2 drawers and a cubby. These are pretty good sized drawers. And you can put all your good stuff in there. And you have light control only. This is an older ship. Some of the newer ships do have USB ports located into the lamps. This one does not, but there's a nice reading lamp that you can adjust the light controls on the lamp itself. Over the bed, you're going to see a very large mirror. And then the pillows. We have 4 pillows and then the 2 throw pillows. And this is a very, very nice bed. Princess did a very nice job ordering the mattresses. In fact, they are some of our favorites. They're even better than the Marriott mattresses, if you know Marriott. On the other side, we have another nightstand. Same thing. This is set up with 2 drawers, a cubby, and then it also has the light control for the lamp itself, and then behind it are the cabin lights. You can control the cabin lights from bed. And don't forget, this room can be set up in a twin or a queen situation. You just have to tell your cabin steward, or better yet, tell your travel agent when you are making reservations. Next to the nightstand is the desk system. 3 drawers in here. Let me pull one open so you can see how big they are. They're pretty good size. And then there's also a trash can underneath. There's a chair here so you can get dressed, put your makeup on, and that good stuff. Telephone system is there, and the hair dryer for the cabin is located right there as well. Now note, there is 2 outlets in this cabin right here. That's it. Not a lot of power on the older ships. So do make note of that when you're packing. Extension cords are okay, power cords are okay, power strips are okay, but anything with a surge protector is not allowed. You do have some lighting above the mirror, so if you're putting makeup on, you can see yourself very well. And then all of our onboard literature is located here. Also, they're going to talk about the Captain Circle benefits. We're going to have a patter. Some of our tour tickets are here. Your cruise is beginning. Here's all the good stuff, including how to access medical care. And then we got invited to the Captain Circle. And we also made this time very, very special. We've never been to one of these. We got invited to the most traveled guest lunch. We're going to tell you about that one this week as well. In fact, we have a whole bunch of stuff. We're going to be on a 10-day cruise. We're going to be doing Panama, Cartagena. We're going to be going in and out of the Panama Canal, part of Jamaica, Grand Cayman. I'm sure I'm missing something. Anyway, it's going to be a great trip. There's also a table in the corner, which is located right next to the refrigerator. The refrigerator is behind this little cubby right here. And we have the standard minibar setup in this cabin. So if you're a Platinum or Elite, I think it's Elite, you get the minibar setup. And just got to keep traveling, keep booking those Princess vacations, and you'll make Elite, and the benefits are wonderful. There's a couple mirrors here, and you can see me right there. And then the TV set is right in the corner. This is the Princess TV, and it's Very, very nice. Up in the left of the TV, you're going to see the Regal Princess. We're going to be on the Regal in June. So like and subscribe, don't forget, and we're going to show you all about the Regal. We're going to be on her for 12 days. Let me turn around and take a look at the cabin from this side. Like I said, it's not a huge cabin, but it is very, very well laid out. But our favorite part of this cabin is the balcony. Let's take a peek at the balcony next. But hands down, my favorite part of this cabin is the balcony. This balcony is awesome. All the Carib deck balconies are about 9 feet by 9 feet. The cover extends over half of it, so you have a little bit that's partially exposed and a little bit that is not. Let's take a peek outside. So that's 9 feet to the glass rail. Got a big cargo ship out there. But look at this guy. We get an extra panel of glass here because it's the last cabin on the Carib deck. This thing is absolutely massive. This is just a standard balcony cabin. The regular balconies have 2 panels of glass. This one is 3, so it's absolutely massive. It comes with 2 chairs, which recline, and it also comes with 2 ottomans and a very nice table. Take your coffee here, have dinner under the stars. You get an ultimate balcony dining. Very, very fun. One thing I do want to show you is this ship configuration is in a wedding cake, we like to call it. So it kind of tapers at the top. Down below you are the mini suites. These are absolutely uncovered mini suites. This one, like I said, is half covered, so you do have protection from the elements. Now you can have your cabin steward open the cabin door between you, and this is what it looks like. We have next door open right now as well, and this is a standard balcony Carib deck cabin with the 2 panels of glass. We have lots and lots and lots of Princess cruises coming up in our life this year. Like and subscribe. There's lots to share with you. Thanks for watching.